Hey guys, welcome to the CSS Master Course. In this video, our topic is CSS background properties. CSS background properties are used to control the background of elements in a web page. Here's an explanation of each background-related property. First, background color specifies the background color of an element. Example, this sets the background color of the element with the class.backgroundColor_example to red. Second, background image specifies one or more background images for an element. Example, this sets the background image of the element with the class.backgroundImageExample to an image named example.jpg. Third, background repeat specifies how a background image is repeated. Example, this sets the background image of the element with the class.backgroundRepeatExample to example.jpg and specifies that the image should repeat horizontally. Fourth, background attachment specifies whether a background image is fixed or scrolls with the content. Example, this sets the background image of the element with the class.backgroundAttachmentExample to example.jpg and specifies that the background image should not scroll with the content. Fifth, background shorthand specifies a shorthand property that combines all background properties into a single property. Example, this sets the background color to red, sets the background image to example.jpg, prevents it from repeating, and fixes it in place, all in a single line of code. Overall, these examples illustrate how to use various background properties in CSS to style the background of an element. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.